What's up, guys? It's the Smart Home Helper, and today I'm going to be doing a review over the Aventek doorbell. Now, this is an Amazon's best choice doorbell. I can say that it is easily the easiest doorbell I've ever installed in my life. It took me about 40-50 seconds. I'm a really big fan of it. I'm excited for you guys to kind of dig in and get my review on it. So let's start off and let's check out the installation. Alrighty, so for installation, we're going to break it down into, 5 pretty simple steps. The first part is one, get everything out of the box. That's going to be step 1. And then from there, this big piece that I'm holding, you're going to want to find a place that you can put this in an outlet. It's going to need power, but it doesn't take much power. It's very low power, which is nice. And then you have the doorbell here. From here, what you're going to do is you're going to grab this silver piece out of here, and you're going to open up the back of the doorbell. When you get it open, what you'll see is there's going to be a little, or where the battery's located, there'll be a little plastic piece. You'll go ahead and get that removed, and that'll help the doorbell recognize that it needs to be turned on. And then from there, it's really, where do you want to place it? Do you want to use something sticky? Do you want to screw it into the wall? That's really the final step of setting this up, because if it's plugged in with the outlet, it's going to automatically connect. And then from there, it's really just choosing which chime you want to hear when someone rings your doorbell. So pretty easy, no app, no Wi-Fi, nothing like that. Just syncs up right away. So that was pretty easy to install there. One of the things that really just kind of gets me is, coming from the smart world, you see like the Zigbee, the Z-Wave, the Wi-Fi, the Bluetooth, and a lot of times it doesn't sync or you have syncing issues. So just seeing that do it like the first time sync up was really cool and something definitely appreciative of someone who's dealt with a lot of smart devices before. Now, when it comes to doorbells, it's a great price point. I've got a link of it in the description. You guys can check it out on Amazon. Super nice. It's an affiliate link, so it helps me out if you guys go there. But also, there isn't like a monthly fee, right? You see with some of these like Rings and ones like that there's a monthly fee. There's no monthly fee with this doorbell. You're getting a cool doorbell that looks good, that's easy to use, syncs up nice, and doesn't cost you something monthly. So super big fan of it. I would love your guys' opinion on it. If you guys have tried out the doorbell, if you guys have any questions for me about it, I'm here in the comments to help you out. But like always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and it's the Smart Home Helper, and you guys have a great rest of your day. See ya.
All right, guys, I got it installed in my house, and this is super cool. I got the doorbell set up upstairs, and down here in the basement, I have it here where I can hear the rings. Now, I had no idea, but there's 52 different chimes that you can choose from. So, and it's real easy. It's right here on the side, and you can just click that to change your sound. That's awesome. I would probably not go with that one. I think I heard one earlier. This one right here is the one that I would go with. It just sounds like pizza's coming. So this would be my first choice. But super cool. Just wanted to give you guys a hear of what it sounds like once you get it set up. But yeah, have fun with it. Choose your chime and enjoy, guys. This has been a super cool product that I've got to work with.